Hello, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the meter attack framework mapping. First, we need to go to this website, https://meter-attack.github.io/attack-navigator. Click the create new layer, click the enterprise attack, and let's wait for a couple seconds. And here you can see 14 columns that represents the tactics, and below the tactics are the techniques. In this mapping, we will create three layers. Layer 1 represents the Cobalt Kitty attack. Layer 2 represents the COVID-19 espionage attack. And then layer 3 is the combination of the two attacks. So for this layer 1, this is for the Cobalt Kitty. And based on research, they have an initial access, tactics, and phishing techniques. So for this, just click the phishing and then go to technique controls, go to score, and let's score it to number 1. After that, go to layer controls, click the color setup icon, this one, and then set the low value to 1 and then the high value to 3. So since we have three layers, one is color red, and then two is color yellow, and then three is color green. So to save us some time, I've already created layer 1 here. As you can see, the red highlights are all the TTPs for Cobalt Kitty attack. And now let's proceed to create layer 2. Click the plus icon, click the create new layer, click enterprise attack, and then based on research, the COVID-19 espionage also have a phishing TTP. So just click the phishing, then go again on the technique controls on the score icon, and for this, let's put 2 as the score, and then go back to layer controls again, color setup. Let's set the low value again into 1 and then high value into 3. Then enter. So as you can see, the color highlighted in phishing is color yellow. And to save us some time, I've created the layer 2 already. So these are the TTPs for COVID-19 espionage targeting China. So as you can see here, all the yellow highlights. And then to combine both layer 1 and layer 2, click the add icon, click create layer from other layers. So we need to choose the enterprise meter attack version 18, this one. And then so under scores expression, type A plus B. As you can see here, layer 1 is A, layer 2 is B. So and then scroll down, click the create layer. And as you can see here, the color green, that represents the similarities of both the attack. So the similarities are phishing, command and scripting, and etc. And if you want to export this, just go to layer controls, click the export icon, and let's choose Excel. Let's rename it to attacks, apt32, then save, and there you go. I'll just gonna attach the Excel file in the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.